Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done a video almost exactly like this, but this is a new or different way. Somebody sent me this JPEG of these two letters, so I picked those two letters. As a matter of fact, I'm going to look to see if I can find that. I mean, it looks like an aerial. That's pretty close. I think that's it. So what you do, you've got this two letters. Go up to arrange and Control K or break them apart. Select them both and turn them into a curve. Now they're no longer a text. Then what I would do is select them all and go up here and left click, right click, and I like to do everything in red. I don't know where that came from. And then move the letters to where you want them. And then take each individual letter and go to Effects, Contour, and I'm going to contour to the outside. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker than that one. I want to make it 0.2 to give it a little bit more contour. Move that down a little bit. You've already got it set, so just 0.2 again. Then you need to decide which one of these you need to cut out. You could cut it out this way or this way, and this one has the lateral lines. So what we're going to do, we're going to select them both. We're going to go up to Arrange and break the 5 objects apart. Then take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Then take our good friend, the Smart Fill tool, and fill in those two. There's evidently something hidden right there. So let's back up, take that hidden object away. So whenever you see that, if it doesn't smart fill the whole thing, then just select them both and right click no outline. I think that's pretty much a carbon copy of the original one. And as always, you can see some lines when you're moving it. I didn't need to move it individually. You can see some outlines. I would always take our yellow box trick and just fill it in with yellow and put it in the background. You can see that this is a JPEG and mine is transparent and ready to engrave. And there's a lot you can do with that. You can change that around, make it thicker. You could have the C going through the E and cut out the other vertical lines. But anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.